Emissis are a company that basically formed to focus on energy saving technologies and carbon emission solutions. Emissis supply a range of technologies. So we supply everything from voltage optimization technologies. We supply a product called Coolnomics that focuses on air conditioning and refrigeration, reducing emissions and energy consumption on refrigeration and air conditioning. We also provide another product called WireEms, which detects whether there is an individual in a room or a room is occupied, and if a room is not occupied, then the power of the air conditioning is actually turned down until the room's reoccupied. Coolnomics is a patented, proven technology. It's won all sorts of awards, and it's a retrofit smart thermostat. And what it does is it fits to an air conditioning system or a refrigeration system. And most air conditioning systems and refrigeration systems rely on monitoring the return air temperature. With Coolnomics, we have two sensors. So we sense the return air temperature, and we also sense the supply temperature. By monitoring the difference between those two temperatures, we can then determine that there's sufficient energy left within the cooling system, and by determining that there's a sufficient cooling energy, then we hold off the operation of the compressor. And the compressor uses between 70 to 90% of the energy within an air conditioning system or refrigeration system. By holding off the compressor, we're actually saving, on average, between 20 to 40% saving on air conditioning and refrigeration systems. One example is Microsoft. So Microsoft, we installed Coolnomics into 3 sites. One was their head office in Reading. We also supplied another site, which was Twycross, and another one in Cambridge. And by installing Coolnomics onto their air conditioning systems and fitting a smart meter, we operated the Coolnomics for 1 week on and 1 week off, and then monitored the energy supply or the energy usage between those 2 weeks. At the end of a 2-week period, or the 2-week trial, we determined that we'd saved between 17% and 34% on those 3 sites. With most technologies, most energy-saving technologies, there are some that make quite a substantial difference, being solar PV and LED lighting. And once you've installed those, the majority of other savings become quite minimal. With Coolnomics, in being able to reduce anywhere between 20 to 40% on air conditioning, Coolnomics makes a huge difference and both delivers on savings on energy, offers a very good return on investment, and it also reduces their carbon emissions by a substantial amount. The fact that Coolnomics reduces the air conditioning supply or the air conditioning demand on energy by between 20 to 40% means that we're substantially reducing the overall demand. So the more Coolnomics installed on air conditioning systems, the greater savings that we're delivering. My thoughts are any initiative that brings together energy users, innovation and policymakers and helps to educate is a step in the right direction to reducing carbon emissions and reducing energy.